Every gift you receive lives in one place. Under Charitable, then Donations, each row shows the donor, the amount, the campaign, the date, and its status. Donations move through a few statuses: paid, pending, failed, canceled, and refunded. Click any status along the top to see just those donations. Click a donation to open it. Up top, you'll see the donor, the campaign, the amount, and the payment method. Over on the right, the Donation Details panel lists the email, the donation key, the transaction ID, whether it was made in test mode, and the donation type. See that View Donor link? It opens the supporter's full profile in Charitable, which we'll explore in the next video. Below, the donation log tracks everything that's happened. And if a receipt didn't arrive, you can resend any email right from the log. Need to reverse a gift? Open the Donation Actions menu, choose Refunded, and click Update Status. The change is recorded right here in the log. Looking for something specific? The filter tool narrows your list by date range, status, campaign, or donation type. And when you need the data elsewhere, Export sends a CSV of any filtered set. Perfect for your spreadsheet or your accountant. For more Charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.